LinkedIn is the only place where someone posts, "I got fired today," and somehow racks up 50,000 likes because they spun it into a motivational sermon about resilience, disruption, and leveraging failure as a growth opportunity. It's basically corporate Instagram, everyone flexing PowerPoint decks and side projects they built by following a 20-hour tutorial stretched across 6 months. When things got weird, LinkedIn launched in 2003 as a simple job board. Upload your CV, connect with colleagues, casually humble brag about Excel skills, useful, boring, functional. Then around 2018, it took a sharp left into chaos. Suddenly, the feed was full of emotional confessionals pretending to be business insights. Now it's an endless scroll of trauma rebranded as content marketing. Welcome to performative professionalism, where every ordinary moment becomes a corporate TED Talk. Spilled coffee? A lesson in adaptability during volatile markets. Stuck in traffic? A metaphor for patience in agile workflows. Everyone's trying to build a personal brand while sounding like a self-help book written specifically for HR departments. The LinkedIn influencer era. Enter the influencers. They post 10-slide carousels titled "How I Negotiated 6 Figures Using Only Eye Contact and Manifestation," and end every caption with "Let's connect." It's pure engagement farming. The algorithm is the real villain. LinkedIn is rewarding this behavior. It's not boosting job listings or technical insights. It's pushing whatever triggers the most emotional reactions. That's why someone crying in an elevator holding a latte gets more reach than actual career advice. It's not a professional network anymore. It's emotional clickbait wearing a blazer. Ship something real. If you actually want to move your business forward without the cringe, Corplan Technologies designs, builds, and ships your MVP, then works as your full dev team for a fraction of the cost. Upfront build plus a monthly retainer for unlimited updates and features. Hire a company, not just a coder. So next time you're scrolling LinkedIn, remember, it's not about networking anymore. It's about who can turn breakfast into a business strategy.
Smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this.